I'll be showing you guys how to make a really easy paper piggy bank. So this is a very easy way of making a paper piggy bank and is useful too. So as you see, our piggy bank is here and I'm just going to be taking two coins like these and I'm just going to be putting them to the small hole at the top of the piggy bank. So you can easily insert the coins inside the piggy bank like this. And if you want to get the coins out, you could just make the piggy bank lay down and you can just pull the top part like this and you can take all the money inside. So this is a really easy way of making a paper piggy bank and it is useful too. So this will not look like a piggy bank at all, it will be looking like a toy. So you can keep it safely and it will be a really safe place for storing your money as well. So I'm making this in a really small size. So since I'm only going to be storing coins in this. So if you're going to make if you want to store a lot of money, you can do it in a bigger size. So now without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this really easy, cute piggy bank. So for this activity, I'm just going to be taking a small half A4 sheet of color paper. So I'm just going to be taking this one in green. You guys can take it in any color you like. So first step is that I'm just going to be folding this piece of paper in half like this. And I'm going to be folding both sides of this paper to the middle line over here. So once we complete that, I'm just going to be taking a scissor and I'm going to be cutting this paper in half right in the center. So now I'm just going to be cutting it in this side as well so that we'll get two squares from this paper. So please make sure that you cut it properly and be careful using a scissor because there are many incidents in which small children cut their fingers while using a scissor. So now we've done cutting it, so now we'll have two squares like this. So the first square, I'm just going to be making this box. So I've already posted a video on my channel about how to make a paper box, so you guys can visit that video for more information. So I'm just folding the box on all the four sides. Now I'm going to be folding all the four sides to the middle point over here like this. So once we've completed that, I'm going to be folding any two sides of the paper to the middle line like this, and I'm going to be opening them and I'm going to be folding the other two opposite sides to the center point over here. So now I'm just going to be opening them and I'm going to be folding both sides of the paper to the middle line over here. And now I'm going to be taking this bottom part and I'm going to be folding it to the top. And now this top part to the bottom. So I'm just going to be turning the paper and I'm going to be doing that. So next step is that I'm just going to be opening it and I'm going to be forming a small box-like structure. So I'm just going to be doing it a little fast. So if you want to go slow, you can pause the video and do it. Or you can watch my previous video on my channel, my first video about how to make a paper box. So now our box is ready. So I'm just going to be keeping this aside and I'm going to be making another box really quick. So you guys can pause the video and you can reload it and you can watch it from the beginning to see how to make a paper box if you feel this is fast. So please wait a few seconds until I complete doing this box. So now our box is about to be completed. So I'm just going to be doing the last fold and now our box is ready. So next step is a really important step. So watch it carefully. So I'm just going to be opening any one side of the box like this. And I'm going to be gently cutting it like that. So now I'm also going to be cutting this over here on this side and I'm cutting it to the top. So now I'm just going to be taking the other part away and now I'm going to be pulling this part inside like this. So now we just have to mark the foldings nice and perfectly so that it does not get spoiled. So now we'll be having a box like this. So now I'm just going to be inserting this box inside this one over here like this. So please be really careful while doing this so that the paper does not get folded and you don't mess up on it. So please do this really slowly. So it will take some time, so do the foldings perfectly like this and now insert this inside this one. So in the meanwhile time I do this, you guys can now pause the video and complete it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So now I've completed doing it. So the next step is that I'm just going to be pressing it over here and now we're going to be drawing the designs. So you can write anything over here. So I'm just going to be writing Piggy Bank and I'm just going to be drawing a small pig at the bottom. So it's according to you, you can draw anything, design anything and do whatever you want. So now I'm just going to be drawing a small pig. You guys can make it nicely and beautiful. I'm just going to be making a rough copy of a pig over here like that. And now I'm just going to be putting small dots all around the paper for decoration. So now we've completed doing the decorating part. So next let's start with making the important part of the piggy bank. So for this I'm just going to be taking a cutter, paper cutter. So please be careful using paper cutter because there are many incidents when small children cut their fingers. So now I'm just going to be gently putting a small hole using the paper cutter. So this is a really important part, so please do that slowly. So first I'm just going to be taking this part out and I'm just going to be putting the hole over here. And after I put the hole, I'm going to be putting that back in. So please be really careful while you're doing that, and also be really slow as well so that you don't mess it up. So you can pause the video and do this slowly. So I'm just going to be cutting it a little bit on both the sides. So now we've completed cutting this. So now I'm just going to be closing it back and I'm going to be attaching this part over here. So this attached part should be at the top and this one should be at the bottom. So if you want, you don't have to cut the box as well. If you feel like it's kind of hard, you can even leave it as it is. But the one problem is that it'll be complicated to put the hole through both the boxes. That's why we're cutting the box. So now we've completed making the design and everything. You can design it on both the sides and do any decoration you like. So next step is that we're just going to be sticking a big sticker at the back for decorations. So for this one, as you see, I used like a boy sticker, angry boy. For this one, I'm just going to be using a pig as it's a piggy bank and be more cute. So I'm just going to be taking a glue bottle and I'm going to be applying some glue at the bottom part of the pig. So now I'm just going to be sticking this onto the piggy bank slowly like this. So next step is after we do that, I'm just going to be taping it as well to make it nice and secure so it does not fall off. So you guys can use any tape you like, or if your glue sticks really well, you can even use that. Or if you do not have tape, you can use the glue gun if you have it, or any other material that's used for sticking like binding paste or something. So now I just took a little bit of tape, so I'm just going to be turning this pig to the opposite side, and now I'm going to be gluing it sticking it at the bottom part. So as you see, if you turn it to the front, it might keep falling like that. So for that also, we're just going to be taking a little bit more tape like this. And now I'm just going to be folding the tape in the backward direction so that we get a structure like this. And now I'm going to be opening this part and I'm going to be placing this over here and I'm going to be sticking it onto the pig. So I'm just going to be sticking it at the bottom and now I'm going to be sticking it at the top. So we just have to wait until it's completely stuck together. So after we complete this, our paper piggy bank is ready. So you can put money in this one as well. So now I'm taking 2 coins like these and I'm just going to be pushing them inside and it will go in really nicely. So I'm just going to be putting a few more in as well like this. So now if you want to take the money out, you can just lay it at the bottom and you can open it and your money will be here at the bottom and you could take it out. So after we complete this, our easy paper piggy bank is ready. So this is a really easy way of making a paper piggy bank and it is useful too. So you can gift this piggy bank to your siblings or your family members, or you can even keep it to yourself. So this will be a really easy, cute and safety craft. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Thank you for watching and thank you for supporting me and my channel. Bye!